Hi there, students. A facet, or various different facets, or even multifaceted. Okay, a facet is a noun. This talks about an aspect, a feature, a quality, a characteristic, a factor in something. So a facet, one part of a subject that has many parts. So all of our characters have many different facets to it. Yeah? Different qualities, different characteristics, different features, different parts, different aspects, facets. So living in modern society has many different facets. One of the facets is finding a job or a way to earn enough money to live. Another facet may be building a family life. Okay, so a facet. If you see a diamond has flat faces, or a gemstone has these flat faces on it, and these are facets. Okay, these small flat surfaces cut on a precious stone, particularly on a diamond or something like that. Okay, but that's technical. But a facet, a part of something, a feature of something. So one of the facets of making videos in YouTube, you need to be constant. You need to do this something all the time. Okay, but most things in life are multifaceted. They have many different parts, many different ways. Okay, so something is multifaceted. It has many different parts. He's a multifaceted person. He can do all sorts of things. He knows about medicine. He knows about science. He's very good at engineering. He's also a poet and an artist. These are all different facets of his personality. So a facet, one of numerous aspects of a subject, an aspect or a subject of somebody's personality, or something like that. So if you make something, if you have a factory, there are all sorts of different facets to production, different phases, different pieces. It's like the different individual facets on your gemstone. If you look at the eye of a fly, I think it has facets in its compound eye. So one of many similar or related things. So this a lack of money is only one facet of the family's problems. Yeah, one of a series of things, one of a set of steps. So we have completed the investigatory facet of this project, and now we will move on to the next facet. Okay, so a facet of life. Yeah, there are all sorts of facets of life. It's a single part of it. It's a single aspect of it. Yes, that they say that money is important in almost every facet of life, every face of life. And then a diamond has facets that are flat so that it can reflect the light. Okay, a brilliant cut diamond has the facets cut to maximize the number of reflections that come out from it. So a facet, a particular aspect or a feature of something, one dimension, one characteristic, one detail of it. Learning English has many different facets. Yeah, there's grammar, there's pronunciation, there's speaking, there's listening. There are many different facets to learning the language. Any of the definable aspects that make up a subject or something to be dealt with. So each facet of the problem needs careful attention. Okay, each of the different aspects of the things that you are considering. So a facet. 5.5 in formality, use anywhere. And this comes from the French word facette, meaning a facet, which comes from face, yeah? Facia in Latin, facies, the face or the shape of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Facet. Multifaceted.